Meet Person A and Person B. They are both energetic and hardworking individuals, looking for easy ways to earn income. They were both introduced to Instabuild.ph, a reputable firm made up of top dedicated engineers, architects, and professionals with approximately 16 years of experience in building and establishing houses, commercial buildings, and even high-rise buildings. With Instabuild.ph, Person A and Person B can earn a percentage of commissions on every building and design projects brought by them. Person A is afraid of taking a risk and refused to opt in. But Person B is always able to see the good in things and decided to sign up to become an Instabuild agent. Instabuild.ph offers a percentage of commission of 3% for agents, 4% for project consultants, 5% for senior project consultants, and 7% for head project consultants, with all the payments made by the clients. With Instabuild.ph, Person B took his steps slowly and is able to earn 4 to 6 digits per package project he closed. Person A, who lacked confidence, missed his chance to earn like Person B. Do you have what it takes to make the Insta-best decision? Head back to your head project consultant and tell them if you are Person A or B.